Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to research new topics of videos for YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start the video. All of you are requested to please watch full video till end. Firstly, open Chrome browser. Type on search bar www.youtube.com. and tap go. Now tap on three dots, scroll down, request desktop site, now tap on your account. As you can see here your channel, tap on your channel and tap on customize channel. It will take some wait for few time. Now tap on analytics. As you can see here on screen, tap on research. And finally type on search bar and type of topics as well as you like. For example, type here how to fix payment method and tap search. As you can see here is showing two topics for your channel. And he's telling you content gap for your channel. That's it. After watching this video, hope the helpful for you. If you need any help about iPhone, please comment me. And don't forget like, share and subscribe all notification. I really appreciate for any support. Thanks for watching my video. Take care and bye.